The RMS Titanic, a name synonymous with tragedy and mystery. Was its sinking in 1912 a catastrophic accident or something far more sinister? We are diving deep into one of history's most enduring questions, examining both the established facts and the compelling conspiracy theories surrounding the Titanic's fate. The year was 1912. The Titanic, the largest and most luxurious ship ever built, embarked on its maiden voyage, a symbol of human engineering prowess and ambition. The official record states that late on the night of April 14th, the unsinkable ship struck an iceberg, leading to its tragic loss in the icy North Atlantic waters. But almost immediately, doubts surfaced. Could such a technological marvel be brought down so easily, or was a deliberate act hidden beneath the surface of the official inquiry? First, let's establish the commonly accepted chain of events and evidence presented in the official inquiries into the disaster. The Titanic scraped against the submerged portion of a massive iceberg, causing a series of small but critical ruptures below the waterline. This compromised 6 of its 16 watertight compartments. Crucially, the quote, unsinkable design failed when more than 4 compartments flooded. The ship also carried lifeboats for only about half the people on board, a devastating inadequacy. Despite multiple iceberg warnings, the ship maintained a high speed. Compounding the issue, the fatal turn was executed too late, turning the scraping blow into a deadly gash. Now, we turn to the theories suggesting deliberate deception. The most famous is the switch theory, involving the Titanic's nearly identical sister ship, the Olympic. Some theorists claim the ship that sank was not the Titanic, but the Olympic, which had sustained significant damage in a 1911 collision that insurance companies refused to fully cover. The theory posits that White Star Line swapped the damaged Olympic for the new Titanic, disguising the old ship to be scuttled for a massive insurance payout, with the loss of life being unintended. Furthermore, some believe powerful financiers like J.P. Morgan, who owned the shipping line, stood to gain financially from the disaster, perhaps by eliminating debt or controlling market shifts. Another far-reaching theory suggests the sinking was a premeditated assassination plot designed to eliminate opponents of a major financial restructuring. 3 of the wealthiest and most influential men of the era, John Jacob Astor I, Benjamin Guggenheim, and Isidor Straus, all died on the Titanic. Conspiracy proponents allege these men were staunch opponents of creating the U.S. Federal Reserve, which was established the following year, suggesting their removal was essential for its formation. While intriguing, these conspiracy theories often clash with historical evidence. Let's look at the scientific and historical points that refute these claims. Explorations of the wreck have provided photographic and physical evidence, including the name Titanic stamped on propeller blades and hull sections, debunking the switch theory. Historical records show no solid evidence linking the deceased magnates to coordinated opposition against the Federal Reserve Plan, classifying this theory as highly speculative. Ultimately, the official narrative of an accidental sinking is supported by overwhelming historical and physical evidence from the wreck site. However, the tragic loss of life, coupled with the vessel's grandeur and perceived invincibility, has fueled the mystery and allowed conspiracy theories to thrive for over a century. The story of the Titanic remains an enduring cautionary tale, a blend of human error, arrogance, and the raw, unpredictable power of nature.